Equity update report. Sounds cool, doesn't it? Equity. Your customers want to hear equity. They love that word. It's music to their ears. Now, if you've been in the business for a while, then you have a lot of customers you can reach out to. I would suggest over the last 5 years reaching out to them. If you're brand new, don't worry. You know homeowners. Don't let this stop you. This is where you reach out and let them know the equity in their home. You know where they live. You have all the tools at your disposal. And so all you want to do is send them an email and just say, listen, I got great news for you. You've got a lot of equity in your house, and I just wanted to let you know. Send a very brief one-page CMA. Don't go all out. Don't give them too much. They'll just skim by it. So let them know, great news. I'm also going to reach out to you and give you a call and see if you have any questions. Okay. Then you send them a text and say, hey, I just sent you an email. Great news. You got some equity in your home. Just wanted to let you know. And then boom, the power. This is where the power comes in. Okay. This is where you actually call them and say, hey, I sent you an email. Did you get the great news? Chances are they did. No big deal. You know what you sent them. So you simply get to say, hey, I sent you a report, letting you know you got a lot of equity in your house. And I just wanted you to know your house is now worth $975,000. 4 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, it was worth X, Y, Z. And this is where you have to get good. Okay. This is where scripts throw them out the window. I know a lot of people love to see the script. Okay. Giving the script has already been given to you. I gave it to you right there. We'll also type some scripts up and show them to you so you have them. However, this is where you get great. I highly recommend reading the book. Everyone communicates, few connect. Okay. Mr. Maxwell, John Maxwell wrote that book. It's a phenomenal book. And this is where you're going to connect. This is where you're going to open them up. And you're going to say, listen, I know that you're not in the market to sell your home. Okay. That is much better said than saying, hey, are you thinking about selling? You sound like a cheesy salesperson. Get out of their face, move on, go do something else for a living. Instead, hey, I know you're not even looking to sell your home. I just wanted to let you know it was worth XYZ now. And I'm just curious because I want to talk to my other clients and let them know what is the price. Like if I said it was worth this, you'd be like, okay, I'm selling. This is it. I got to sell at this price. Okay. Now, again, I know you're not selling, but what is that number in your head where you'd say, you know what? I would move on and look for another place to live, move to a different state, whatever it may be. I just want to know that number. They give you the number, they hem and haw. They might not give you the number. Just so you just throw out some numbers to them. Let's say their house is worth 975. What if you got 1 million? Would that do it? No, 1.2, 1 point. And just so this is where you have to get good at your communication skills. And this is where they know you're the expert and you're not trying to get them to sell. It's really this simple. It's a great conversation starter. And most importantly, everybody's looking. Everybody's curious. Like I am living in the most beautiful house right now. We put a pool in it that is immaculate. We built the pool. I shouldn't say Tamara designed it. I told her exactly what I wanted. I only wanted one thing. She got to do the rest of it. She's got her tanning ledge, a couple of tanning ledges. I wanted 3 bar stools to be able to sit in the pool with your whole body in the water and look at the TV from a distance. That was my deal. And we wanted an elevated spa, something that looked cool. And so we've got the house, but I'm always looking. I'm always just checking out going, what's it worth? So therefore, when they think of you, you've already talked to them about this and you're letting them know what you do without being the cheesy person of saying, hey, I'm a real estate agent. Send me your referrals and business. Is you ever thinking about buying and selling? To get away from that stuff, give them value, let them know what their house is worth, and then just try to figure out if you can get that price from them. And then from there on, you just keep adding value, keep sending them things, keep finding ways. Hey, did you know the house right down the street sold? They know, they've been watching. It sold for $1.1 million. Just wanted to let you know. Have a great day. Okay. Still, you haven't asked for anything. You're giving value. This is vital to your success in real estate. Hope you've enjoyed our 5 to Thrive. Where am I? Am I real close? I'm right there at it. Enjoy your day. Go get yours. I'm definitely getting mine.